Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So reading several definition concerning language provided by online sources and language. What can you say about the definition for language? Please describe its definition by describing one definition from online sources as well as one definition given by the language. Then you come to describe the definition of language by using your own words.
According to the definition, language is human communication both oral and written, which consists of the use of words in their structured way. According to experts Big B and Target D. In 1942, language is a symbol of an arbitrary system in which a social group works together. In my opinion, from definition above, F has uses then the symbol system used in their communication emphasizes the definition of language is only as a means of communication, but also as a means of expressing our thoughts and feelings.
What do you know of some fundamental properties of language which are Macaulay source in definition derived from online sources and the language? Please explain your answer.
Basic nature of language as tool of human communication has several basic characteristics which are interconnected and form a complex system, some of which are interconnected. Language as system. Language is not a collection of words, but rather an organized system with certain rules, including grammar, language, procedures, word user procedures, and the meaning content. Language as symbols. Words in language are symbols or symbols that have a concept or object in the real world. The relationship between symbols is arbitrary, meaning there is no natural relationship between the form of the word and the meaning it represents. Language as the meaning of language functions to convey meaning or ideas. Every word or sentence has meaning that can be understood by speakers of the language.
In your opinion, is it easy to give accurate information concerning the origin of language? Why? Please explain your answer.
The ease of providing accurate information regarding the origin depends on several factors. Origin of objects. If we talk about the origin of physical objects or animal species, there is often physical archaeological evidence. For example, through archaeology, paleontology, or genetics, the origin of concepts or ideas such as language, religion, or art physical evidence is often limited. human origins, stressing the origin of human involves various disciplines such as anthropology, genetica, and paleontology. The information available and the more varied the information available, the more accurate the information we can obtain, but not all sources of information are the same. We need to identify the available sources based on the resource methodology, refutation of order, and the evidence submitted.
What do you know about the theory of divine origin? What does the theory say about the origin language? Explain your answer in detail.
The theory of divine origin is that language originates from God's revelation to humans in this context. Language is considered as communication given by God to convey teachings and guidance. This theory emphasizes the language did not ever by change, but rather as part of divine plan to strengthen human relationship with their creator, and each other. Thus language becomes an important tool in human spiritual and social development, enabling them to understand complex concepts about life and existence.
What do you know about the theory of evolutionary development? What does the theory say about the origin of language? Explain your answer in detail.
The theory of evolutive development explains that human language origins from a long evolution where language can develop simultaneously with human cognitive and social development. According to this theory, language is not only a means of communication but also reflects social and cultural structures. This process involves adaptation to the environment, interaction, social, and the need to collaborate in groups. This opinion supports that language is the result of natural selection that facilitates survival and human reproduction.
What do you know about the theory of language as a human invention? What does the theory say about the origin of language? Explain your answer in detail.
The theory of language as a human invention is one view of the origins of human language. This theory argues that language is not something that has existed from the beginning, but rather an invention made by humans at one point in evolutionary history. The origin of language, according to this theory, language as a result of adaptation, sees language as the result of human adaptation to the environment and communication needs. Over time, humans develop a system of symbols or language rules that become increasingly complex in conveying ideas, thoughts, and emotions. Language is tool for collaboration. Language not only function as a communication tool but also a tool for collaborating and working together in group.
Do you agree with saying that language and linguistics are the same? Why? Explain your reasons.
No, the question that language and linguistics are the same is not correct. Language is a system of symbols that humans use to communication. This is a tool that we use every day to convey thoughts, feelings, and information. Linguistics, on the other hand, is the science of studying language. Main differences: language is an object to be studied, while linguistics is a tool for learning. Language is concrete; we use it every day. Linguistics is abstract, namely a collocation of theoretical methods and concepts for analyzing language. Analogy: language is a car, while language is the science of cars. We can use cars to travel, but science is about studying cars, how cars work, how to repair them.